Hello, parents and teachers. Today, let's dive into a delightful learning experience for your little ones. We've got a simple yet engaging activity to help your LKG stars identify shapes and colors while having a blast. Before we move ahead, quickly click on the red button to subscribe. Using popsicle sticks, paints, and some tape, we're creating a shapes puzzle. It's a hands-on learning adventure that'll keep them captivated. They'll practice counting sides and learning the names of colors and shapes. It's a creative way to engage them in educational fun. Encourage them to
The color of
identify
circle?
each shape and its color, fostering their
What's the
cognitive
color of
skills while having
rectangle?
loads of fun. By making learning hands-on, we're ensuring an enjoyable classroom experience that boosts their understanding of shapes and colors. So dive in, parents and teachers. Let's create unforgettable learning moments together. Subscribe for more educational activities. Have fun exploring shapes and colors with Mitzi. Like, share, and visit our Mitzi platform for more exciting classroom adventures.